In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to ClickUp and use the integration. By the end, you'll have your inbox talking directly to your tasks so you can manage work without bouncing between tabs. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. Log in if you're not already. Your workspace dashboard is essentially your digital office where all your tasks, projects, and lists live. If you were already signed in, ClickUp will take you right back to the last workspace you used so you can pick up where you left off. Next, look to the left sidebar for the More option. Depending on your view, it might be tucked inside a collapsed menu. Click More to expand those extra sections, then choose Apps. This is ClickUp's integration hub where you connect services like Gmail, calendars, and cloud storage all in one place. On the apps page, head to the search bar at the top and type Gmail. That filters the list right away. Click the integration labeled Gmail email or a similar name. Opening this starts the connection process between your Gmail account and ClickUp. Now it's time to configure the integration. Click Configure or Connect. If you're not signed in to Google yet, ClickUp will redirect you to the Google Sign In page. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect, whether that's a personal address or your work email. You'll see a list of permissions, typically things like allowing ClickUp to read and send emails on your behalf. Take a moment to review these so you know exactly what access you're granting. When you're comfortable, click Allow or Continue to proceed. If you use two-factor authentication, go ahead and approve the prompt on your phone or via your Authenticator app. Once that's done, you'll land back in ClickUp with a confirmation that your Gmail is connected. From here, you can start using Gmail inside ClickUp. Emails from your connected account will appear wherever you've configured them, often in your inbox, inside task comments, or within email-enabled fields. This makes it easy to turn important emails into actionable tasks or comments, create reminders and follow-ups directly from the message, and stay organized without constantly switching apps. If you don't see the Gmail option in apps, double check that you have the right permissions, like being a workspace owner or admin, and verify that your ClickUp plan supports Gmail integration. If the connection fails, make sure you selected the correct Gmail account and confirm that no browser pop-up blockers are hiding the Google sign-in window. That's it. Your Gmail inbox is now connected to ClickUp, and you can manage emails and tasks together for a smoother, more focused workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.